Hey guys, so I'm going to give my review on this Complement Creatine Monohydrate. So as you can see, it's just like a very clear, clean looking white powder. So I recently bought this. I've been looking into creatine for a while now. I was a little bit hesitant to buy it because I heard that some people like blow up like a balloon or get really bloated when they take it. So I was really nervous, but I've been working with a health coach. She's also a functional medicine practitioner, and she recommended that I try some creatine out. So I did a lot of research, and this was one of the ones that I had sent her. I think I sent her like 5 different options that had really great ratings. And she said right away, pick this one. So that's why I ordered this one. And I like it a lot because the only ingredient, that is one thing I learned when I was starting to look into creatine, is that you want to look and make sure that the only ingredient, don't know if you guys can see this, but is creatine monohydrate, that there is nothing else in it other than that, because any of those things can make you feel worse while you're taking it, which is what I was a little bit worried about in the beginning. I'd heard from people that they bloated a lot, that they blew up like a balloon, they were feeling really puffy in the beginning, which is the opposite of what I'm looking for, of what most people are looking for. So this one, having it being just literally that one pure ingredient, I knew there was a minimal chance that would happen. And I've been taking it for almost a month now, and I've not had any bloating. I've not felt like I was blowing up like a balloon. So if anybody else is worried about that like I was, try this one out first before you look at other ones, and just also make sure that you're looking for a pure creatine monohydrate. The other thing that I like about this is it is free of like all common allergens. It's gluten-free. It is, what else did I want to mention? It's vegan and it's non-GMO, which is really important when you're taking a supplement. You want it to be the highest quality possible. So like I said, I've been taking this for about 30 days. I'd say the biggest thing that I noticed is I feel like I'm able to push myself harder in the gym, that I'm able to get better workouts. And when we're able to work out harder, of course, we're going to get better results, likely faster. So for me, that is by far the biggest difference that I've noticed. And like I said, I haven't experienced any negative side effects. I do know a lot of people say that they feel like they experience mental clarity and like less brain fog and that kind of thing. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. But I would say the thing that I've noticed the most is I've been able to just have better workouts overall. So if you're looking for a creatine supplement and you're just not sure which one to go with, I definitely recommend this one, because the way that I remember to take this every day is I just add it to my protein smoothie that I have every single day. So for me, it's just having them already in, so it's something that I don't forget to take. If I don't have a smoothie, which I think there's been like 1 or 2 days that I haven't, I will put it in some water and I'll drink it quick, and then I'll just drink more water. So for me, and I drink water first thing in the morning. So that's a really easy way that I remember it. But like I said, this one's a really good one. I would definitely try it out.